Hey everybody, it's George Foshin, Call Realty Best Palos Verdes Homes, and today's negotiating tip is called brackets and limits. So really the best way to describe it is go to my blog site, read the article, and you'll see how it works. But more importantly, or perhaps as importantly, it'll give you a tip on how to protect against it when you're negotiating and it's being used on you. So give it a read. Let me know what you think. And as you scroll to the bottom, know that you can get to other negotiating tips with this link right here. You can search for homes here. And again, if you haven't heard this before, I'm rolling out a brand new AI tech that is revolutionizing how I'm marketing property. When you list your house with me, you're going to be able to tell even before your house gets on the market how many buyers are searching for your home. This is critical information. And let's carry that question a little bit further. If I know how many buyers are looking for a home matching your home's characteristics, do I know who those buyers are? Think about it. All right, that's it for now. Oh, one last thing. At the very, very bottom of my website, if you ever, lose a link or, just forget exactly what the URL is, for example, the term negotiating tips, just click down here, type in the word negotiating tips, hit enter, and there you go. All right, that's it for now, folks. Talk to you later. Thank you very, very much for your time.